Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about numeric functions. So myself, Omkar Desai, and till now we have seen different operations in Excel, different tabs, some basics of Excel like home tab, insert tab, data tab and all, and some basic functions until now. So in this video, we are going to see the numeric functions, which is listed here like the topics like is number, rand, round, median, pi, power and mod. So without wasting time, let's get back to the Excel. So I'm using a new Excel sheet over here. So let's start with the first function which we had it on the list, which is number. So what this is number do is, so it will return a Boolean thing. So what is Boolean is, it will return either true or false. So what it takes as input is a number or is a parameter or is a value. It checks if that value is a number or not. If it's a number, it will return a true. If it's not a number, it will return a false. To give you an example, here we have it as is number. If we give a value as 100, it will return true because 100 is a number. Or what you can do is you can write it this way. So right now this is blank, so that's why it is not checking it if it's a number or not, because it didn't receive anything. So if I write here as 10, so it shows me that yes, it's a number in this particular thing. If I write here my name, it will show as false, obviously, because this Omkar is not a number. So this is about is number. Next is rand function. So this rand function will generate a random string or random string of numbers, we'll say. So to give you more insights of it, so how do we do it is equals to rand. And again, in this particular function doesn't accept any parameters. So just have it as blank, like open the round bracket and close the round bracket. And you can see that random number is being generated over here. So there is one thing. So this formula will be refreshed every time whenever we make any update in this particular Excel sheet. So to explain you, so you can see this. I just entered a data in a particular cell, and that random function got refreshed. I'll show you again this way. So this is because the one which we have seen it here in the formula tab, the calculation options. So this is automatic. That's why it is getting refreshed automatically. So if we make it to manual, so this formula won't refresh after every change of data in this particular sheet. So but for now we don't want that. So let's have it automatic itself. So this is how we use our random function. So this random function, we use it whenever we need a random data. So you can modify this like a decimal point and all. You can modify that and you can have a whole number only. Next is round. So this round function is used to get the value after a decimal point. So to give you more about it, I'll just write one round function. So my number is say 10.12345678 9, and I just want 2 digits of data. So it will give me only 2 things. So what I will do is, so this is how you use the random function. There's one more way. Obviously, we can parameterize it the way we did it for is number function. Like we'll have it here, 50.98765, and then we have the number as say maybe 4, and you can have round. The number is this, and the digits we want is 4. parameterize it like this. So this is how you parameterize the round function. Again, you can use this round function over this rand function is like round random, say we want 3 digits of every random digit string. You can see this random number and this random number is different because this rand function generates a unique string every time. So, but if you wish to have a random, if you wish to have a round of this particular thing only, what we can do is we can have round over this cell and we'll say we want 4 digits after that. So this is how you do it. So this is how you use the round function. So you can see it is that the original number is 6.69275, and here it has said that 0.6928 because it has rounded up that the next digit is above 5, so that's why it has just added 1 to it, so it becomes 0.6928. So this is how you use round function. Next function we have it is median. Okay, so for median function, will need a range of data like 5. I'll just create a range of data. Okay, should be enough, I believe. So equals to, quite simple, median. Okay, so it asks us the numbers. So as we have said, as we have discussed in the earlier video, we can give one by one number, but for now, we'll just select the entire range here. And a median of this will be given. So here you can see the average of this, count and sum. And this will be a median. Next function we have it is pi, which is we call as pi. So pi function will return us. So you can just read the detail about it here. It will return the value of pi, which is 3.1459, 1415926, and so on till 15 digits. So we don't have to pass on anything to this function as well, like a rand function. So you can get it here. So again, you can use this pi function over round like round, and then I'll say pi, and I would want 4 digits. So this is how you do it. So 0.14159 have been converted to 0.1416. It has just rounded up. Next is power. So this power function, we have seen it in the earlier section, but we'll just cover it again. So let's make it parameterized at the start itself. So it's like power of 2 raised to 3, it will give me 8. Or if we can say it here, equals to power 2 raised to 3 give us, or maybe 5 raised to 2 will give us 620. This is how we parameterize it, that power function. Next function we have it is mod function. Okay, so this is one of the important functions in Excel calculations. So to explain you, let's have 2 digits. 3 equals to mod. The number is 10 and the divisor is 3. This will return us the remainder. So in 10 by 3, a remainder will be 1. So because it will divide this by 3 3s are 9, and it will remain 1. The remaining value will be 1. So if we divide by 2, it will give us 0. So likewise, we use this mod function. So these are some of the major functions which we use in the numeric, or what we call it as this math and trigger section. There are many more which as we have seen in the formula section video. So not covering all of them. So these are the primary ones which we use. So that's all we have for this video. For next video, we'll be covering some string functions in Excel. Till now, thank you.